What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on BitTorrent, which has once again pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at this value here. So as you guys know, yesterday, the day before, the crypto did pump up on the 6th of December, which was about 2 days ago, took a little dip and right now pumping again. So we're going to be looking at how far is the pump likely to go. Is it going to pump up much higher, or is it going to crash back down in value? So we are going to also go into 2024. What can we expect from BitTorrent? And also looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, is it time to sell it, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of BitTorrent, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for BitTorrent? So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from this crypto. So what I mean by that is, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently staying at its current price range for the next 12 hours. It is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, and then by the end of the day today, it's slowly started to drop back down to where it is trading at the moment. So do expect it to pump up higher than where it is at the moment before it slowly starts to drop back down later on this evening to in the early hours of tomorrow. So yes, guys, it is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the bad news is that it is looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. So over the next 7 to 8 days, guys, by the end of next week, BitTorrent should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially around this price range here, as you guys can see here, 0.0, however many zeros there is here, and then ending in 8. It's somewhere around this price range here is where I'm expecting BitTorrent to be trading at by the end of next week. So yes, an overall drop in value is what is expected. However, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now and start to drop down in value. Of course not. It is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of days, hitting green candles followed by red candles, dropping it back down by the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking way too steep, guys, looking very bullish, very positive, but just like the last chart, it is not realistic. But in this chart, it is looking even steeper than the previous one. So yeah, this is not realistic at all. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late January 2024, I am expecting BitTorrent to have dropped back down in value to where it was trading about a week ago, somewhere around this price range. But again, over the coming weeks, we are likely to slowly start to drop back down in value before we start to slowly gain value. as previously mentioned plenty of times, guys, the way it's pumped up over the last 2 to 3 days is not sustainable. It's gained way too much value in let's have a look here. Over the last 7 days, it's gained over 125%, which is again overvalued right now. Slow and steady increase in value is the way forward. As you guys can see here, mid-October, late October and early November as well, it's been gaining decent amount of value at a slow and steady pace. That's what we call sustainable, and that's what I'm expecting it to take place over the next late December, early January. Slow and steady increases in value once it drops back down in value, meaning that is much more sustainable, and it means that it won't literally crash back down in value. It will go up in value at a slow and steady pace. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone down by 5% in the last 24 hours. However, it is likely to go up into the green side here over the next couple of hours as it's pumping right now. So more and more people will look into trading the crypto. We'll be seeing more buyers, more sellers, and in general just a lot more traders. And as you guys can see, the trading volume right now is $206 million in trading, compared to about 150 million about a week ago. Sorry, not a week ago. 7 days chart here, $26 million in trading a week ago, and right now it has nearly gone 10 times, guys, due to the pump that's taken place over the last 2 to 3 days. So yeah, it is getting a lot of attention right now. So going back into the candlestick pattern chart here, before I go any further, I just got a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market. My Telegram group chat is now live. Link to that will be in the description box down below. I do have a limited time offer going on right now. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, using discount code DEC10 you get 50% off, guys, to make it $14.99 a month. And as long as you sign up and you get in for that price, it will stay at that price for as long as you remember. So what does this chat exactly include? So you're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. Don't worry about the figures here, this is an old screenshot. And I also answer your questions around other cryptos, analysis, prediction questions that you guys may have. And the second chat you get put into is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. But do bear in mind, I am a long-term trader. I'm not a short-term trader, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. But when I do, it is at a very good entry price, and when I sell, it is at a very good exit price as well. But yeah, this is my take on BitTorrent, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot, and it means a lot to me as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.